Hey guys, good morning. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a 2019 Peterbilt 389 factory built glider kit. Has a 6NZ single turbo cat, 13 speed, 585,000 miles. So this one just came in. It's not been polished up, not been rubbered up, but I've gotten it hot this morning, so I'm going to do a full walk around, show you exactly how she came in, show you the blow by underneath the hood, finish up on the inside. Let's go ahead and get started. Steers look great. Blow by looks good. Body and paint, fenders, all that's in good shape. Steps, tanks, really nice truck overall. Back of the cab looks good. Frame rails from the engine compartment all the way back looks good. The only rust that you've got is on the fifth wheel plate, which is pretty normal. None inside the frame rail. It's got all aluminum wheels. Rear side fifth wheel, does need rubber. Brakes look good. All that looks good in there. Only rust is the fifth wheel plate, and you got some on that rear end. Platinum interior, all that looks good and clean. There's your miles, hours. Great low side oil pressure. Smooth to the RPMs. Pressure jumps up there. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got questions on this one or any other truck, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me anytime to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.